All right. Good morning, fifth graders. We are on, let's see, this is week 2, day 3. Which one doesn't belong? Okay. This is Thursday, May 14th. And let's take a look at this. It says choose a number in this picture that you don't think belongs with the rest. Explain why. Can you pick another number and give a different reason? Okay, so this is really subjective, so it's what you think, as long as you can support it with a good answer. So you pick a number and then you tell why it's different than the others. I could give you a couple of examples and then you could come up with one. So, like, I might pick the number 9 and say that I picked it and said it didn't belong because it's only one digit and the others are all 2-digit numbers. Okay. Or I might pick the number 16 because it's an even number. Remember, an even number ends in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, and all of the other numbers there are odd. Or I could say 9 doesn't fit because if you add the digits of the other numbers together, you get 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, and then the 9 doesn't fit. So that's what you need to do, but you can come up with your own, and as long as you can justify and explain why it doesn't fit, they'll accept it, okay? It's just thinking about math in abstract ways. All right, now on the next one, I am going to say that, all right, so now we're going to do this rounding table. It says fill in the table to round numbers to the nearest 10, tens place, 1, tenth, and hundredth. All right, so, okay, so we have to look at these numbers. I just realized that I talked all through the lesson, but it wasn't taping. So let's take a look at this table. And we have 506.308. This is the thousands place. Or I'm sorry, hundreds place, tens place, ones place, 6 is in the ones place, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Okay? So it says we have to round to the nearest 10. So the 0's in the tens place, and do you remember to round? We have to look at the next number. If it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we add 1 to this. So 0 plus 1, 5, 10. Okay, and the rest all go to 0. So we don't need to write 5, 10, and then 0, 0, 0. Okay, we just can say 5, 10. All right? All right, now to the nearest ones place. 6 is in the ones place. So to round that, we look at the next number. If it's a 0, 1, 2, or 3, or 4, we keep the 3, a 3, okay? Which one did we do? Are we on ones? Okay, okay, I'm confusing you. Okay, so we're rounding to the nearest ones. If the next number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we keep the 6. We don't add 1 to it. So it would be 506. Now if we're rounding to the nearest tenth, okay, it's either going to be 0.3 or 0.4. So we look at this number. It's a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, so we just keep the 3, okay? And now the next one says hundredth, all right? So it's either going to be a 0 or a 1. So we have to look at the next number next to it. If it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. We add a 1 to this, okay? All right, I hope that's clear. I'm sorry about that. I guess I was talking the whole time and it wasn't taping. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. I don't know.